Hi there, this is Hannah at the Blue Hill Library, and today I'm going to show you how to use the advanced search feature in the library's catalog to help you find items from home. So here on the catalog page, right underneath the main search bar, there's this option for advanced search. And clicking on that will give you a lot more options for ways to search the catalog. You've got these drop-down menus that let you pick whether you want to search by subject, title, author, or you can leave it on keyword for the broadest possible search. You also have these item type limitations. If you want a specific type of item, you can check it off here and it'll limit your search results to only items in that format. So for example, if I only want to read large print, I could check off large print fiction, large print nonfiction, and then add in a keyword. Let's say I want books by Lisa See, but only in large print. Searching for that will bring up her books in the large print section only, so you won't have books from the general fiction section mixed in. Other things you can do with advanced search include you could leave the keyword or search field blank and simply check off categories as well as some of these other options down at the bottom. So for example, if you wanted to see a list of all of the new fiction, you could check off adult fiction as the item type. And we'll put in for a publication date range just 2020. We'll look at only books that have come out this year. And just for kicks, we'll also limit it to only items that are currently available. So if you wanted to get a new fiction book today, you could run this search and see what's out there. Let's take a look. Here you go. This list will show you all of the books published so far this year that are currently available in the library's fiction collection. There's lots of different tools you can use in the advanced search feature. It's helpful if you want something that is both, for example, a book and a movie, but you know you only want the movie version. You could check off DVD. You could even check off the other sections of DVDs like juvenile, as well as young adult. And let's try searching for something like Lord of the Rings that we know has both a book and movie. If you just did a basic search for it, you would get both results mixed in together, but now we've limited it to only movies from the 3 different sections. And if we run that search, we should get only movie results back. Here you go, Lord of the Rings. And indeed, some of them, we have copies in the regular DVD section, some of them in young adult. So that's a nice way to make sure you're searching as broadly as you need to by checking off the different sections by age. So that's a little bit about advanced search. Hopefully that will help you find some good books and movies to request from home.